So welcome to the more complicated spreadsheet challenges. So when you usually see a spreadsheet, you're not going to just have a simple list of a few number of 10 numbers or so like we did last week. You're going to have a big sheet that's got multiple columns like this one. And so I want you to see that you can use the same tools to help deal with a really large spreadsheet and actually to do things really quickly and efficiently. So this is my spreadsheet, and it has all of the states and territories, along with information about the median income level in those states in different years. So each state has 4 numbers that go along with it, each of these 4 columns. We're going to analyze that in just a second, but first I want to remind you how to sort a spreadsheet if you need to when it's a big one like this. So to do that, you're going to select the whole spreadsheet. So drag and select like that. And then go to Data, Sort Range, click that you have a header row, and then you can decide what you want to sort by. So if I want to sort mine by 2015 income level from least to greatest, I would do that. Or if I wanted to sort mine by the name of the state, but in reverse alphabetical order, I could do that. So a lot of different options when you're sorting. Okay, so we're going to use the same formulas that you used last time. So if you don't remember a formula, you can definitely look back at your work from the last challenges. The first thing that I want to do is I want to count the total number of states. To do that, I'm going to use the count function, equals count. And one thing about this is that the count function only shows a numerical count. So I have to select cells that are numbers. So I'm going to select those in the B column, which is 2018. So B2, that's my first number, and then colon, and then if I go all the way down to the bottom, 53 is the last cell there. So B53. And you see the orange shows me exactly what I'm selecting. You can also click and drag to select those cells. So there's 52 states, and that might seem strange because you know there's 50 states, but remember that this is the states and territories. So it includes Puerto Rico and Washington, D.C. Okay, so I'm going to do median income in 2015 equals median. And 2015, that's the E column. So I'm going to do E2 all the way down to E53. E53. Okay, so that's the median income in 2018. If I want the median income in 2015 is what I just did. If I want 2018, I'm going to do B2 to B53. And that's the median there. If I want the max, I'm going to use the max function. And since I'm doing 2018, I'm going to use the same cells, B2 to B53. Here's the maximum income. Here's the minimum income. B2 to B53. And remember that the range, we don't have a function that tells us the range, but we can write one by knowing that it's the maximum minus the minimum. So I'm going to type equals, and then the maximum is this number, H5, minus the minimum, which is that, and there's my range. And so now already I can use this information to start to analyze income in states. So if I wanted to say what's the typical income in the United States, I might look at the median and say that the median state income was around $59,761. Or if I wanted to say how consistent is state income, well, that's variability, and that is how spread out is the data. And so there's a huge range, $64,000 from the lowest to the highest. So you now have everything you need to try the challenge, which is about daily temperature over this past winter. Good luck. This is going to be a great, efficient way to answer some questions and analyze some data.